The legal architecture of this incident rests on a federal provision almost no passenger reads before boarding. Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 44,902, subsection B, grants permissive refusal authority. The carrier may refuse to transport any passenger the carrier decides is, or might be, inimical to safety.
Hello. What's going on?
He's recording now, so you don't even have
He threatened all of us too. What's that? He threatened all of us too. So.
All right, so here's.
What's going on?
BSOS.
Yeah. He knows the story. All right.
It's the
Okay, so 20. Okay.
Yeah, go in. Personally non-compliant. He's traveling with his kids and another family member is the grandmother. He placed the daughter in someone else's seat, and while we seated them with the grandmother, with the adult, part of the family. He removed the daughter and put them in the other seat beside him, and the other daughter, which was assigned to someone else. He flight attendant
Not part of his family, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Flight attendant asked, to put the daughter back with the grandmother, so the other person was sitting there assigned seat. He refused to do it. He was non-compliant, very combative. He asked him to get off the aircraft, get his stuff, and get off the aircraft. He was very rude, so they become threatening. And he was just non-compliant, very combative, and not listen to any of our instructions. So I had him our card here, a notice of non-compliance. He refused to take it. He started recording me, which he has a right to. But I did let him know I don't consent to him recording. He's right here. So we like him off the aircraft. The flight crew is not comfortable. They're not safe with him.
Okay, so who you want off the aircraft? Just him?
This gentleman right here.
And the kids can fly with the grandma?
If he's willing to let the kids go to grandmother, but he's going to have to get on. So who doesn't want him on board, they're not safe. Don't just pay for him on board.
Okay.
We were willing to rebook him on the next flight. Very combative and non-compliant. Not listening at all.
Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what's going to happen, all right?
Yes.
The pilot doesn't want you on the plane. The crew doesn't want you on the plane.
For what reason?
They don't have to have a reason.
They need to have a reason.
No, not by law. No. Once the pilot says you're
Take
off,
me
you're
down
off.
on the plane with my kids and my disabled mother.
So your kids can stay with your mother if that's what you want?
No.
Okay. So this is what's going to happen. I'm going to tell you no. I'm going to tell you this is the way it works. Okay.
Yes.
Well, they can come off with you if that's what you want. That's fine. All right. They're your kids.
For what reason?
Because apparently you're not following rules and
I am
regulations.
following rules. Why?
All right.
I was on my seat.
Okay.
Come on, I'll show
Apparently
you.
I don't need to come anywhere.
I'll show you my
Okay.
seat.
So
I have
if
my
you refuse,
ticket.
listen.
I
If you
have
refuse to come off, you'll be arrested. Everybody on this plane will have to come off, and you'll be arrested. As
For
simple
what?
as that. All right.
Look, this is my seat, 25D.
Okay.
Can I come and show you where is
No.
my seat?
No.
This is my seat, so you are doing something wrong.
No. I have nothing to do with the plane.
My daughter was supposed
All
to change the seat, but the
I'm
person...
giving you. Are you going to come off the plane or no? That's all I need.
I
to
am
know.
on my seat. Look, this is the 25D, and I registered where I'm sitting.
Okay. Are you understanding what I'm telling you?
I am sitting on 25D.
Okay. Come on up. He's going under arrest. Don't worry about it. Hands behind your back. Do it now.
Put your hands behind your back.
I am putting my hands behind my back.
I got it.
Drop the phone. Drop the phone.
You don't want to do it the right way, right?
Okay.
I want you to come off with your kids, or your kids to go with your mother.
Okay.
But you want to go to jail, so that's what's going to happen.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
You do not attack at all. Get down. Get down.
Ibibi!
30, give me another unit.
Stala!
Get down. Turn around.
Ibimbi Stala! Ibimbi Stala! Ibimbi Stala! Ibimbi Stala! Ibimbi Stala! Ibimbi Stala! Aiutami! Aiutami! Aiutami!
sit down. You will get your ass saved.
Aiutami! 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 Aiutami, sono bimbi! Sono bimbi là, bimbi là! Aiuto, sono bimbi là! Sono bimbi là, please! Please, sono bimbi là, please! Sono bimbi là, please!
We got two in custody.
Please, sono bimbi là! Mia moglie là! Please! Sono bimbi, fanno male! Fanno male i bimbi! Sono bimbi là! Oh. Okay. Oh yeah.
Just wait till the rest of them get here.
Sono bimbi là! Sono bimbi là!
Federal courts review that decision under a deferential, arbitrary, and capricious standard from Williams versus Trans World Airlines in 1975. Once the pilot in command invokes that authority, the passenger's lawful presence on the aircraft terminates as a matter of federal law. Florida Statute, Section 810.08, then criminalizes remaining in a conveyance after a warning by an authorized person. Under Atwater versus City of Lago Vista in 2001, probable cause for even a minor misdemeanor supports a full custodial arrest. Physical noncompliance then triggered Florida Statute Section 843.02, resisting an officer without violence. The force applied, a guided takedown with no strikes or chemical agents, is analyzed under Graham versus Connor in 1989. Severity of the offense, immediate threat, and active resistance. All three factors fall within the reasonable zone.
You guys want to open up? Y'all good? Yeah. All right.
Just face the wall. You don't have nothing to talk about this. I'll come running at the police like that.
Let go.
No, you would be there.
Because he was coming.
You wouldn't listen.
He was coming
That's
to
why
me.
you're in custody.
He was coming to me. I promise you.
Well, the way of doing things.
Please,
obviously,
please do me a
it's
favor.
tough.
Please do me a favor. Just let him go. Let him go, please. I'll do whatever you want.
I know you
I
would.
swear to God.
That's why
Whatever
you're
you want.
detained right now.
Okay.
This way right there.
I was never detained in my life. This is unfair.
You didn't want to listen,
I'm
so.
not saying that you are doing something unfair. Absolutely. I respect you. I respect your job.
Thank you for respecting me.
But please let him go.
Please! Please!
Just
Sorry, bimbi! Sorry, bimbi!
That's fine.
There's no debate here. We'll send somebody else come, then I'll walk out.
All right.
Well, actually,
I need somebody
you
to
want to
fill out
wait because
the
you
info.
got to get information. So wait. Just hold them out there till somebody else comes.
My mom is disabled. She cannot
Okay. We understand.
I just need your info. Yeah. And the flight and all that.
Action reaction. That's what it's called.
No, they're gonna pay for
And
it.
you said that
They're gonna have
the dad was trying to grab me, or
Whichever one of you back was turned, you was trying
yeah, I was grabbing his phone off the floor.
That's,
Okay.
that's when they're grabbing you. We have the camera.
Yeah, you have on my phone too. Don't worry, you have the video. You have everything.
I think it was him. His back was turned, and then the pops was trying to grab on. I didn't, what is
He was trying to grab me. That's what he was trying to do.
The officer's back is
He
turned.
was trying to grab me. That's what he was trying to do. He doesn't even speak English.
I got their info. That's all. Just I'm gonna need somebody else because I got two.
Okay.
We took him, and I guess Dad came running after. They said when I was trying to pick up his phone,
Running
I
after him. Yes, after me he was.
then they went after Samaj.
After me he was running.
You don't need anything else on anyone on the
And I got the two
Who's
friends
Albert?
and witness.
I am Albert.
That's me. So I need the one for the back. I can press for you out here.
Can you please let my dad go?
That's not mine.
It's beyond that. It's too late now.
Please.
You didn't want to listen. You could have just came off by yourself and let your whole family slide.
The kids go.
That's how I tried to have you do, right?
It's been a week.
But you didn't want to listen.
It's been a week. They didn't see their mom. Please, officer.
It's not up to us.
Go outside. Go up front.
Here you go. Let my dad go. Yours. Who's somebody?
I need units with a cage. I don't have a cage. What's your date of birth, Dad?
He doesn't speak English.
Okay. When was your dad born?
4/23, 1956. He was just coming.
And where was he born?
Sheriff, he was just coming to me, man. Come on.
Where was your dad
Do
born?
whatever you want. Just don't register it, please.
Where was your dad born?
In Albania. Ruling Park, Stream Rama. Go.
He a U.S. citizen or Albanian citizen?
Who?
Your dad.
My dad is Albanian. He has a green card. He didn't do nothing. He was coming to me. The kids were crying, that's why he came.
And what's the phone number for you?
Please, he didn't do anything.
And where were you born?
I was born in Albania.
And are you Albanian citizen still or U.S.?
I'm alright.
You're American now?
Yes, sir. It's been 10 years. I never had trouble with anybody. The guy on the plane, he was very rude.
Right, but I explained to you multiple times
Absolutely.
that they don't want you on the plane. The pilot has the authority of the plane. Whatever they tell you, you got to do it.
I thought you were just trying. I swear to
Why
God.
would I do that?
I swear to my life.
I just wanted you to get off the plane and your children to go with the family.
I thought you were just saying. If
All
I
right.
knew, I would have complied. Absolutely.
I told you that that's the way it's going to work if you refuse, okay?
Absolutely.
So unfortunately,
100%, I will
and that's where
comply.
we're at now. Unfortunately, your family's getting kicked off the plane too.
My mom, can you please?
We don't have control over that.
My
Once
dad.
the airline makes that decision,
No,
that's
for
it.
my dad, please.
No, it's already past that.
The father's arrest presents the closer legal question. The resisting statute requires knowing and willful obstruction. The on-camera language barrier, his status as a lawful permanent resident, and a parental rescue impulse all undermine the willfulness element. Collateral immigration consequences under federal law give the defense significant leverage to litigate rather than plea. Booking questions fall outside Miranda protections under Pennsylvania versus Muniz in 1990, which exempts routine identification inquiries. The lead deputy receives a B-. Precise legal framing and proportionate force, offset by profanity and a turned back during an active arrest. The son receives a D+ for converting a consumer grievance into a physical standoff. The father receives a C-. Sympathetic defense, foreseeable officer safety risk. The lesson is narrow. A ticketed passenger is a contract holder, not a sovereign of seat 25D. The correct venue to challenge a carrier's decision is a courtroom or a Department of Transportation complaint. The one venue where that fight cannot be won is the cabin itself. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.